Well, hello YouTube. We're working on a Mitsubishi Montero Sport here, and you can tell right here what the engine displacement is. So this is a 3.5 liter, as you can see right there. It's kind of shaky. There we go. So down here is the idler pulley. And I've already took it out. Don't bother taking out the tensioner over here. Here's a tensioner. This is a half-inch drive ratchet that I stuck in there. It's not a 3/4 inch drive. Most of the tensioners are 3/4 inch drive. Some are half-inch drives. So that's a half-inch drive tensioner. This little pulley here, which I started to put on, is going to be a 14 millimeter or a 9/16. That's what I used right here. I'm just using this 9/16 half-inch drive, and there's so all you need is a 14 millimeter half-inch drive, and you got our lick. So I got the wrench right there. Here's the pulley.